punching forward.
Overhand! Overhand by
Laban, A3 Boxing TV.
Isa sa pinanggalingan ng mga magagaling na boxer ang Visayas, lalo na ang Cebu City. Sa katunayan, marami ng mga Pinoy na world champions mula sa lugar na ito. Katulad nila Jerry Peñalosa, Mark Magsayo, Donnie Ahas Nietes, Nonito Donaire at Janrel Casimiro. Kaya ito sila ang naging basihan kung anong katangian meron ang isang boksingero para maging world champion. Isa na nga dito mga tol itong undefeated na si Rimart Tagakanaw na may 8 wins, walang talo na may 7 knockouts. Binansagang assassin dahil sa tulis at lakas ng kanyang mga suntok. Kung saan may lakas itong parang si Manny Pacquiao at tapang na katulad ni Janrel Cuadro Alas Casimiro. Matapos nakakuha ng 7 magkasunod na panalo itong si Tagakanaw mga tol, nabigyan ito ng pinakamalaking laban sa kanyang karera para sa isang titulo upang masubok ang kanyang galing na itapat ito sa isang Indonesian boxer na si Hamsun Lamandao na may 12 wins at 9 knockouts sa kanyang kartada na binansagang Tigre dahil sa kanyang tapang at galing sa pakikipagbakbakan, kung saan paglabanan nila ang bakanting WBA Asia Super Flyweight title na ginanap sa Bohol na promoted ng PMI Boxing Promotion. Hindi ito madaling laban sa ating Pinoy mga tol dahil ang Indonesia na si Lamandao ay isang Universal Boxing Organization champion at nagbula pa sa 2 impresibong knockouts na panalo. Halika mga boxing fans, ating balikan kung paano pinabagsak ng Cebuano na si Tagakanaw itong matigas na Indonesian champion.
overhand! Overhand by
Ang Pinoy assassin mga tol ay may 7 wins, walang talo na may 6 knockouts, habang ang Indonesia na si Lamandao naman ay may 12 wins, 1 loss na may 9 knockouts. Nakataya dito sa kanilang laban ang bakanting WBA Asia Light Flyweight title na ginanap sa Saulog Gymnasium sa Tagbilaran City, Bohol. Sa mga gustong pumalpak mga tol, nirekomenda po ng inyong lingkod ang legit na betting site, ang 1xBet. May 5,000 bonus agad sa una nyong deposito. Nasa Pilipinas ka man o sa ibang bansa, napakadali lang mag-register. I-click nyo na lang ang link na nasa description at nakapin sa comment section. Gamitin nyo lang ang promo code na 1XA3TV upang ma-avail nyo ang 5,000 bonus sa una nyong deposito. Dito pwede kang tumaya sa paborito mong sports gaya ng boxing, PBA, NBA, MPBL at marami pang sports. Dito sa 1xBet mga to, may 5,000 bonus ka na. Napakadali pang mag-withdraw. Pwede mong gamitin ang Gcash, Paymaya, Crypto at dapat maging responsable lang po tayo sa pagbet. Sa umpisa ng laban mga tol, nagpakawala na kaagad ng mga malalakas na kombinasyon ang dalawang boxers. Ang ating Pinoy ang naka blue red trunks at black trunks naman ang suot ng Indo boxer.
There's no correction, Rick, no? I think don't be confused.
The weight of Tagakanaw
Yes.
coming in is
I think he made
identical,
114.3 also.
the same as Lamandao.
Alam mo yung mga malilit na bagay.
Kalaban niya mo kung wala ka. Surely, one of the candidates to fight of the year last year yun.
Raymar Tagakanaw, this Lamandao is not an easy opponent.
Sa ikalawang round mga tol, mga solidong suntok na ang naipatama ng Pinoy, ngunit nagpakita din ng tibay at gumaganti ang veteranong Indonesian.
And also that use of jab by Tagakanaw to set up Listen,
Overhand by Laman too.
overhand to set up those body punches, but Tagakanaw,
A right uppercut up center.
Mula sa palitan ng mga kombinasyon, tumama ang malakas na uppercut ng Pinoy na naging sanhi sa pagluhod ng Indonesian boxer, ngunit nalampasan pa nito ang bilang ng referee.
Cut partner landed just right, I think, at the solar plexus of Lamandao.
The grit from the Indonesian fighter partner.
Certainly getting up
Take
and
both fighter.
not afraid to exchange part.
shot that landed for Tagakanaw.
It's all action packed. Oh. Okay, Laman is down. Oh, it's a slip. 10 seconds of round number 2.
Sa ikatlong round mga tol, nag-aabang ang mga Boholano dahil sa akala nilang matatapos na ang laban. Ngunit gulat sila sa pinakitang tibay ng padala ng Indonesia.
The same.
Brothers. I mean,
Warriors in
yeah.
the ring.
Baka sa defense mo, tanaw! Basta lang ka sa defense mo!
Hello kay boxing gloves.
This fight could belong in that category.
Certainly.
Oh, nice. Left to the
Go higher for Tagakano. Oh wow, just beautiful setup for Tagakano. You see him going up top.
to the body
to open.
on that instance.
There you have it. Quick counter by Tagakano.
Just how tough is
Flipping hook to the body by Tagakano and then hook up top.
Sa pang-apat na round mga tol, bumawi ng mga solidong patama itong Indonesian, ngunit nagpakita din ng tibay itong si Kabayan.
Kanaw.
A counter to the body by Tagakano. Hamandao just constantly jabbing.
What
Upper
a nice
hook by
exchange.
Hamandao.
I love the exchanges of both fighter, Payo. Do you?
Of course, I mean, they're not letting the other finish.
Their finish. You can see they counter mid combination. Alam mo, ito yung gusto ng mga Pinoy. This is what the Filipino fans want. That vulnerability of opening up during exchanges.
right now.
You are absolutely
Oh,
right.
what a good 1-2 combination by the Indonesian.
Certainly that landed on the chin of Tagakano.
Going backwards, partner.
Certainly.
Oh, nice
certainly.
overhand by Lamandu.
And I
Oh,
like,
nice 1-2 again by
oh,
Lamandu.
beautiful, beautiful uppercut. I like how Lamandu also, pansin mo when he gives that combination, always against or out of the center line. But excellent range boxing by Tagakano. There you have it, the right hand of Tagakano.
Both fighters are brilliant on this round, partner. Ana,
Sa round 5 mga tol, mga malalakas na suntok
Yes,
na
sir.
sinalok ng mukha ng Indonesian na
Both
sila
of
man daw
them have
mula
that
sa
high
ating
guard, pero
Pinoy,
may mga
ngunit
nuances yung
nakatayo pa
depensa
rin
nila.
ito at
Partner.
lumaban.
Like Rimac Tagakano sometimes parries that jab. Lamandu sometimes sits on that punch with that high guard.
And
So-
I think the one big factor is the jab of Tagakano. It's a constant target. Well, I'm speaking about the left jab of Tagakano.
Oh, that
I'm speaking about the left jab of Tagakano.
beautiful long range uppercut by Tagakano. That triple jab by
Oh,
Lamandao.
again, the jab of Tagakano is making damages for Hamandu. Hamson Lamandu.
But good body movement by Lamandu to avoid that. Parang natuto na rin siya because the jab keeps on.
Partner, kailangan gumalaw-galaw siya kasi kung hindi siya gumalaw, it will be a target for Tagakano. I'm speaking of
Dito sa kalagitnaan ng round 5 mga tol, hindi pa nagpakita ng kapaguran. Dito sa kalagitnaan ng round 5 mga tol, hindi pa nagpakita ng kapaguran ang dalawang fighters na gustong ma-impress ang mga hurado.
Wise to not give it your all in all of the rounds. There are some rounds na aaralin mo yung opponent, you study your opponent, you set some traps or some triggers. Kasi if you do that, if you're stepping on the gas pedal each and every round, it's gonna gas you out. I mean, we're just human, partner, no? There's just limit to our gas tank. So it's really wise for them to vary the tempo. Oh, beautiful exchange, partner. The
Oh,
upper
that
hook
to the
from
body.
both boxers.
the left cross did hit for Lamandu. Again, the third man in the ring is Noel Haduka. Hirap rin maging referee, partner. No?
Of course, huge right hand for
You must have that
Tagakano.
eagle eye on you to be the third man in the ring.
Certainly, and just very good distance for our referee, just enough to see the action but without disturbing it, no, or
Yes.
intercepting it. Final 15 seconds of round 5,
I
partner.
did both boxer. Sabi ko nga, medyo nagpahinga sila.
Sa ika-6 na rounds mga tol, medyo kinabahan ang mga Pinoy fans dahil sa pinakitang tibay ng Indonesia na si Lamandao.
Back down from the challenge against Raymar Tagakano.
Alam mo, nakakatawa kasi Indonesians and Filipinos are very friendly. we always love to smile because you've been in Indonesia, I've been in Indonesia. Very friendly people.
Inside the ring, they have this tenacity, partner. This
Warrior instinct.
Warrior instinct.
Yeah.
Tama ka dyan.
We go to the start of round number 7.
Stop.
Both of the fighters are trying to size up each other again in the beginning of round number 7.
That was a good jab by Lamandu. And then when Tagakanaw slipped, he slipped in that up.
In that uppercut.
Lamando is giving a dose of his own medicine by giving that left jab to Tagakanaw.
Partner, that jab of Tagakanaw is a showstopper. He just stops Lamandu right when he's charging in, no? Oh, body shot by Tagakanaw. Lamandu.
Sa huling minuto ng round 6 mga tol, malalakas na suntok na ang tinatanggap ng dalawang boksingero, ngunit pareho itong matibay.
A jab.
Certainly. They're back at the
Tagakanaw
center of
did
the ring.
exchange.
And I like how the Indonesian Lamandu keeps it on the center of the ring. He circles out to the left to keep it at the center. He doesn't want to be cornered by Raymar Tagakanaw. Tagakanaw, that stiff jab, beautiful.
Another facet.
Counter punching boxer. From a brawler standpoint kanina, he's now trying to make Lamandu commit mistake.
Certainly, he's inching forward. Overhand! Overhand by Tagakanaw that landed, if I'm not mistaken, on the
Mula sa malalakas na kanan na pinakawalan ni Tagakanaw ang sama ng pagbagsak ng Indonesian boxer, dito na tinapos ng referee agad ang laban.
Certainly, he's inching forward. Overhand! Overhand by
If I'm not mistaken, on the temple of
I think that's right overhand, partner, if I'm not mistaken.
right overhand. The
Whatever it's
temple.
talked about.
Nakuha ni Tagakanaw mga tol ang panalo via technical knockout sa round 6 at naging WBA Asia Champion. Tungkol naman sa performance ni Tagakanaw mga tol, may chance kaya ito maging world champion at susunod sa yapak ni Pacquiao. Pag-usapan na lang natin yan sa baba at salamat sa inyong suporta hanggang sa sunod nating video.
Raymar, the Cebuano Assassin. Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.